What's going on, guys? Did you like that? The little spin move. Oh man, I'm dizzy. So what's happening, guys? It's Cadence with another video. What are we up to, like 3 whole videos now? Cooking. I wanted to welcome everybody who hasn't been here already, but for the ones who have, you might see some changes coming through. I'm brand new to the whole YouTube space. I'm just getting into video editing, so I'm still experimenting with like different color grading and intros and I don't know what music and video ideas. Everything is brand new. So until I, figure it out, nail it down what I want, you might see some changes. You might not even notice. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I have no idea. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you today about maybe not the most important thing about DJing, because the most important thing about DJing, I think, is that you enjoy what you do, and that's it. You enjoy it. It's fun. It's supposed to be fun. If you're not having fun, you might want to rethink what you're doing. Could be doing something wrong. You might have made a left turn somewhere where you should have taken a right. Let's kick off the intro. So guys, I got something special for you today. 5 things that you should be doing to get DJ gigs. And guys, you'll want to stay for the entire video because I'm telling you, I'm keeping the best for last. I get it, you've been putting in the hours, you've been practicing your ass off, your mixes are on point, your music library is nice and full, you are ready to hit the club scene, but you don't know where to get started. This is where I come in, this is where I help you out. In future videos, I'm gonna be breaking down each one of these 5 things. We're gonna dive deep into each and every single one. But for now, I'm gonna give you the list, a little brief summary, and hopefully you take some value out of this video. So number 1 is your online interactivity. DJs, you have got to make a presence online. What I want you to do is go on your Facebook, on your Instagram, Snapchat, what have you, and add those people that you know go to the clubs, our promoters, our DJs, our venue owners. Get them into your circle. From there, start commenting, start interacting, put yourself into the conversation. There is a great saying that says out of sight, out of mind, and it definitely holds true here. Number 2 is putting out content. Guys, there's no other way for people to know what you do if you do not show them. Put out mixes, put out photos, put out anything DJ related so people know, hey, he's a DJ. Unless you tell them, they're not gonna know. The people that you want to book you at these clubs, you want them to know that you're a busy DJ. Whether you're getting gigs or not, you can stay busy and look busy by putting out content on a consistent and frequent basis. Guys, I'm telling you, it helps a lot. Number 3 is branding. Guys, if you think of peanut butter, what do you think? Jif? Peter Pan? Is there another one? A big one? Very important. Now, what does good branding do? It helps people think of you when it comes to them thinking of a DJ. I can't stress it enough, guys. If your logo looks like Dookie, people are gonna think you DJ like Dookie. It's just the way it goes. I know, don't judge a book by its cover, right? But we do it all the time. I'm telling you right now, if I went to a library and I was scrolling through the books, the ones that I'm going to pick out to see what they're about are the ones that have a nice cover. It's the way it is. Get a professional looking logo done, clean and simple. Not too long, not too many lines. You don't need headphones with cords running all through them and stuff. It's going to look messy on a flyer, guys. I'm telling you, simple is best here. Less is more. Along with a nice clean logo comes photography. Don't take a promo picture that looks like you took it in the bathroom in the mirror with the flash on. That's not going to work. I'm telling you, find a friend, find a college student who's into photography, have them help you out. It's going to go a long way. Number 4 may be as important or even more important than the first 3 combined. And guys, this is bring value. If you go into any situation with the mindset, what can I get out of this? You are doing it wrong and you will not get very far, guys. You should be going into it with the mindset of what can I do for them? It's how the world works. People are thinking about what they need or what they want. If you provide that to them, they're much more likely to help you out. And you might be thinking,
Cadence, I don't know what value to bring.
Well, I can tell you my own story and how I brought value and how it landed me my very first DJ residency. After being a bedroom DJ for about a year and a frat party DJ for about another 6 months getting paid on beer, I had a DJ friend who had a club gig and, well, it was a lounge. It wasn't a club, but it was in Boston. It was in the cities, right smack in the middle of the city. It was going to be a busy place. And I went to him and I said, hey, how about I open for you for free? Not only for free, but I will make the flyer for free. I will make the flyer. You don't have to pay a graphic designer or you don't have to go do it yourself. I will make the flyer and I'll open for free. Now I can hear you now saying,
DJ for free? DJ for free? But my time is worth something.
Guys, if no one's willing yet to pay you for your time, then your time's not worth anything. Something is only worth what someone else is willing to pay for it. Now your time may be worth a lot to you, but if you pay yourself, you end up with the same amount, $1 into one pocket into the other, you still got $1. So guys, you can make your time worth something by offering value to that other person. You can promote the event for them. You can take pictures if you got a decent camera. You can make a flyer like I did. That landed me my first residency. I made the flyer, I opened for the guy, the promoters liked me, and they hired me every week. End of story. So DJs, that brings me to number 5, the most important thing you should be doing if you want to get DJ gigs in the clubs and nightlife scene. And that is going out and meeting people. I'm telling you, there is not another thing on that list that is more important than shaking hands, meeting face to face, and getting to know the people that you need to know. Bring them tight into your circle. Like I said, online interactivity is great, but there is still nothing like a face-to-face interaction that is gonna get you further. Just take this scenario for a second. There are 2 DJs, DJ A and DJ B. Now DJ A is a much better DJ than DJ B, but DJ B goes out all the time, shakes hands, laughs, drinks with the promoters. Guess who's getting booked? DJ B. Now when I say going out, what I do not mean is bringing a press kit, business cards. Guys, play the slow game. Patience is key here. Make yourself a regular at the places that you want to play. Casually introduce yourself to the right people. You see the promoters out, just casually introduce yourself. Buy them a drink. Just bring value, be friendly, have fun, and eventually those things will come. But if you go to them with the intention of, hey, here's my card, if you have any slots available, let me know. That doesn't work. They can tell right off the bat, and it's happened to them a million times, someone coming up to them and wanting something from them. First, become friends. And don't become friends because you want something, guys. These are the people that you're going to be working with. You want to build a relationship with them. So number 1, your online communication and interactivity. Number 2, put out content. Got it right here. Number 3 is branding. Number 4 is bring value. And number 5 is go out, meet people, build relationships, because that's what DJing is all about. It's about people. And for the ones who made it this far through the video, I'm gonna give you a bonus one. Guys, that is number 6, and it is patience. We're here for the long game, DJs. The ones who aren't do not make it very far. They fall off, and then once upon a time, they were a DJ. So guys, if this video brought you any value, I would invite you to like it, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you know when I'm coming out with new videos. I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.